Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making a really simple, quick and easy DIY that's for spring, and you can also keep it out for the summer, and it involves fairies and butterflies, so it's really beautiful and magical. This piece can also be gifted. So I'm using this, and this was actually from a kit from The Works. It was £3 and it had butterflies inside. So this is actually plastic and it isn't glass, and the bottom is made from cork. So the first thing I'm going to do is line the bottom with some green moss. The next thing that I'm doing is taking a piece of the artificial flowers, and I'm going to stick that down with some hot glue. Going to take a few of these off, I think about 3 or 2. I'm going to have to size it up and see. So I'm going to cut around from here and then just hot glue that down to there. Then I'm taking this miniature toadstool. It has a wire attached, so I don't need to hot glue it down, and I can just poke it into the cork. Then I'm taking my fairy and going to place her right there. I'm going to take these 3D butterflies, and I actually received this as a gift, so I have no idea where these are from, but they are self-adhesive stickers. And what we're going to do is probably take this one here, because it's the smallest, and just hot glue it to some wire. So this is how the butterfly looks. It's got 2 layers to it. One is sort of like a translucent paper, and the other side is a plastic sticker. Take your wire. I like using green wire because it tends to go with all of the fairy gardens and projects that I do. So I got this from the garden section, and then you want to take your pliers and cut it to size, then attach your sticky butterfly. If you can't get any stickers, just print these off, the internet, on some card. I think that will do fine. And again, because this is wire, you should be able to just pop it into the cork without hot gluing it. Now that's all ready. Just slide your top over everything. And here is the final finished project. I think it looks really magical and captures the fairy world just perfectly. It's really cute, and isn't this just perfect for a Mother's Day gift? I know Mother's Day is coming up in the USA and Canada. If you enjoy DIYs like this and crafts, then please do let me know by leaving me a like and a comment. I really do love hearing from you all, and if you've got any requests or any questions, do ask away. If you aren't already part of our Terrarium and Crafts family, please do click subscribe and stick around. Wishing you all a positive, magical day. See you in the next DIY.